Birds in dreams. Oftentimes, birds in dreams represent spiritual entities. If it's a positive bird, bright in color, God is the Father of lights. Bright colors in dreams oftentimes represent the issues of God in the kingdom, and darker colors, negative hues, darker hues of color will represent negative. So a bird that's very colorful and bright, you would see the interpretive approach as angelic intervention or heavenly intervention at a spiritual level. Well, a dark colored bird would be a negative or a demonic spiritual entity at play. So depending upon the color and the context, you would interpret the birds in the dream according to spiritual activity in the air, the coexisting spiritual angels or demons.